Hey everyone, just wanted to share this amazing smoothie I'm going to prepare this morning. So it's got avocado in there, and I'm about to add some hemp seeds. And then already, I don't know if you can tell, there's some powder dust on the sides, and that's even more hemp. That's CBG hemp. So I'm on the hemp diet right now. I'm getting these amazing bananas in my backyard. This banana tree just keeps producing, so I just keep freezing them, and I'm going to show you how I make my smoothies. I put a lot of frozen bananas in there and some hemp seeds and then a ton of water. Show you what it looks like when it's done. About that much. And an acai, one of these packets. See how it tastes. Yeah, I'm gonna enjoy that for the next 20 minutes.